Hello everyone. I know all of us are just waiting for this lockdown to get over and go back to our old routine. While we are trying to adjust to the new life, the current situation seems like out of frying pan into the fire. This crisis seems like bringing a new crisis, that is financial crisis. It is very much possible that we will have to find some other sources of income, and hence here I have come up with a 5 points investment strategy that will help us to sustain in this time of uncertainty. So before diving into it, I would tell you the two categories of stocks you should refrain from investing. First is avoid companies that have high debt. Because with no revenue generation, such companies find it difficult to pay off their debt and hence may go bankrupt in future, which would eventually make the stock price to plummet. Secondly, companies from cyclical sectors have also suffered a lot due to the slowdown. The reason being that these companies' performance tend to follow the trajectory of economic growth, and now we are in a slowdown. Few examples are banking, energy and metals. So now that I told you what not to do, let us start with what all you should do. The very first point is to look for companies which have low debt, high cash flow, strong financial performance and high ownership. When the owners are highly invested in their own company, it is a positive sign as it indicates their trust about the future prospects of the business. At this point of time, large cap IT companies have a good cash flow. Now the second tip is to be a bit defensive. Invest in more recession resistant industries like utilities, consumer staples, grocery stores, FMCG, pharma, educational service, insurance companies, so on and so forth. These industries provide essential goods and services, and hence demand for such products continue regardless of the status of the economy. Moving forward, one goal must be to have a constant source of income. Hence, invest in companies which pay regular dividends. The fourth point is about diversifying your portfolio. Investing in stock is not the only option available. There are two alternative instruments available in the market, which are real estate and gold. Recession usually leads to drop in real estate values, hence one can buy low and sell high in the future. Whereas gold has a track record of retaining its value during the period of uncertainty, hence it can also be a good bet. Now last but not the least is to improve your cash position. Cash provides the ultimate flexibility and the most peace of mind when times get tough in the market. This is all about it. I hope you all find this informative. For more such unusually simple content, follow my page. Thank you.